We were thinking of showing you some tips and tricks, some ways to help with your building, with your creativity, with your making stuff. And our first idea was you need to know about tabs. So we're going to show you. So if you want to join something to something else, this is a good way to start. So these are tabs. Betty is cutting slits up the inside, and she's going to turn it over and fringe it out a little bit. So she's done quite a lot of slits. They're kind of good to be as the same length as you can, as similar as possible. And now the best way to stick this on is not to put glue onto each of these little fringes.
That will not work.
The best thing is to put glue onto your piece of cardboard. So maybe this is a piece of cereal box. Maybe it's something you've cut out of some packaging. You need a lot of glue. Basically, this glue will dry clear. You won't see it afterwards, but you need it to stick. These things are so frustrating if they don't stick. So here we go. She's going to press down. And I tell you what, you need to really, really press. Don't expect it just to happen straight away. Hold it for a second. Keep pushing down. And this is where you find out if you've put enough glue on or not.
Yay!
Is it working?
Yeah.
Anything else, Bets? Something a bit flat or something colourful or...
I found this piece of orange card.
Oh yeah, good call. Okay, so maybe you might want to make walls, barriers, something a bit upright that you want to add to your build.
I just got slits in that.
Okay, so it's slits again, and now this time, fold them. How are you going to fold them?
I'm going to fold them like a concertina.
So you're going to go one way.
One.
And one the other way. I'll move this out of the way for you a little bit. You can go onto the ground, so it's not easier.
That. And like that.
Try to put the glue onto the board. Make sure you've got enough, hey? You can really over glue it, that's fine. So there's a bit here that's missing. Yeah, just make sure you've got the glue everywhere you might need it. So what sort of shape are you going to put this in?
I think like a smile shape or something.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see.
Like a semicircle.
Look at that. So this is a very good way to make stuff join. It's a really good way to get the flat stuff together. Also, got any other... What else could that be, Bex? Any other little ideas? What could go on?
I think it looks like a monster because it looks like... So, like, you could put two eyes there and then have the nose and the smile. Because that's like a monster's nose.
Gotcha. It looks like a bit monstery. Brilliant. Thanks very much.